Hi everyone, today I am entering a contest. What would you do to get 1 million views with Brian G. Johnson and his YouTube channel? So one thing I would do is get a lot of advice from Brian G. Johnson. And I've already been watching his channel and getting some great tips from him. I also have some other channels I've also been watching to get advice about how to get better at YouTube. So secondly, listen to advice and try to follow it. Get as many videos on as possible. And today, if I catch an octopus, I'm going to put it on my head to try and get a million views. So let's see if we can do that. Well, I got myself a little octopus here. Took me a while to get him out of his hole. So, success! So what I'm doing here is I'm going to catch, which I did, and now I'm going to clean the octopus, which involves, sadly to say, turning the octopus inside out. So I've turned him inside out, and now I just need to clean out his insides. So now I've cleaned the octopus, and I said at the beginning of this video, if I caught one, I would put it on my head. All right, there's an octopus on my head. New hairdo for the new school year. No. By the way, sometimes the best octopus to eat is right here fresh in the ocean. Just a little bite. Yummy! Alright, so here's the ink sac, and I'm going to see how much ink is left in this octopus. Way over there we got the U.S. Coast Guard cutter heading out of port. Wonder where they're headed. Here in Apra Harbor, Guam. Kind of murky underwater because it is low tide and it pulls out all the water from the inner harbor.
So something else I'd like to work on so that I can get 1 million views on YouTube is working on my editing skills. I mean, I just started learning how to do that a couple months ago, so trying to get better, but I'll keep working on it. Hey everybody, just finished snorkeling here at Valley Beach, and I saw quite a few cool things. Caught an octopus, wore it on my head, and found a couple of shells. One my friend found. It's a carniola cowrie, still in okay shape. And then I found a little scallop shell. It was kind of pretty. And behind me, looks like there's a big thunderstorm coming up. Seize the day.